Hello everyone. This is a tutorial on how to change out the headlights on your 1997 Chevy Silverado. Now mine has a special situation, so I had to remove the grille. Now, to begin with, you're going to remove this socket right here. It's 7 millimeter, and it is to remove the front grille. Now the one in the corner is for the headlight. That's a 5 millimeter, and there's going to be two. And right here is supposed to be the second one, but complications. The next side, 5 millimeter, 7 millimeter socket, and 5 on the corner. Now, when it comes to removing the grille, you also have to remove the turn signals, and those are connected to the grille. There's going to be 4 screws, and you need to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove those. Now, I unfortunately don't have any footage of me actually removing the grille, but you will find them on those 2 spots where I originally took them off, and there will be 2 that are more in the center of the top of the grille. You'll see them, they're kind of hiding underneath some covers. And then the final one, which is the 5th one, is inside the center of the grille. So right above the emblem, and you'll be able to see it. Okay, so far got one headlight going. It's the right one. Got some screws back here to remove. Those are 10 millimeter. And I mean, this is pretty easy replacement to do. We'll worry about the blinkers last. We got to put the grille on first and then attach those. From there, work on the left side. And yeah, like I said, pretty straightforward. So overall it took us about like what, 3 hours? But this is a pretty easy install. If you know what you're doing, if you know, take some time to understand what's going on. Shouldn't be too hard. I'd estimate it to be about 30 minutes to get the grill off completely with the lights. And everything back together, another 30 minutes, so about an hour and a half. Pretty proper time. But time to throw this away. Some dinosaur shit compared to 2018. I don't even know, can't remember whenever we got those. And I apologize if you can't even hear me. I don't have any proper equipment for audio, so this is excuse me, this is the best that I can do as of right now. But that does it for today.